So what are the results we should expect? Assuming we do these things, right? We develop a strategic plan, it focuses on foundational jobs, it focuses on the four tenets that are really going to drive foundational job development in the state. We do those things, we develop the right benchmarks. What should we expect as a result?
Well, I think in the long term, what you want is a balanced, sustainable economy that provides quality jobs for a maximum number of Mainers in foundational sectors in particular, manufacturing, construction, transportation, energy, and importantly, the new cutting-edge 21st century sectors that are going to be dominating the economy going forward. Things like artificial intelligence, drones, self-driving cars, cutting-edge medical issues and sectors. I mean, those are pretty well defined as we understand what the how the economy's evolving. So we need to sort of identify those and get out ahead of them and connect with those too.
And then we become an attractive place for people to relocate, kids to stay, people to make investment, businesses to thrive.
Yeah, that's the goal. I mean, I think number one, we need our kids to stay and our grandkids. I mean, those are probably the top personal immediate objectives, but that probably also involves attracting outsiders to come here for a number of reasons. I mean, having a more diverse economy and attracting more what's called gray capital, the intelligence necessary to drive 21st century sectors, is going to enable more of our kids and grandkids to stay here.